see nipple? I've seen that.
Truck. Towing a truck.
Oh my god. It's pretty purple. Smiles!
Look. It's the Gemini people.
What's Gemini?
Remember when we moved into the house that we're currently in at the moment and it took us 7 days to get the power on and we were out power for all that time? Because the Gemini company
are incompetent.
They're the only company in the suburb that we live in that
in the whole of northern suburbs.
In the whole of northern suburbs of Melbourne that have the contract to turn power on and off.
How stupid is that?
Which is quite ridiculous because they've got a monopoly on the system and they can make you wait as long as they want.
That's why we waited for a week to get ours turned on.
But that's alright, we had candles and we played board games.
Board being the operative word.
And we haven't touched a board game since. But they served their purpose, didn't they?
We use them like once every 3 years.
Hey, they did their job.
We use them like 3 days in a row when we had no power.
It was good. Some of the Monopoly King.
Sure. Do you reckon they call them board games because you are actually bored to have to use them?
I don't know.
Just a different spelling?
I don't know. Why are you walking so slow? He texted him. He texted him.
My friends.
You friend? What friend?
I got lots of friends. They're all on MySpace and YouTube.
My massage slip-ons are nice.
These hurt.
Better than your thongs. Thongs. Flip-flops. Flip-flops. Thongs.
It's hot.
It's not hot.
And I want to punch you in the face. I'm making me come down with you.
It's not that hot.
It's just up.
I reckon it's only like 28.
I reckon it's like 117 Celsius, not Fahrenheit.
No.
Burning to a crisp.
Ooh.
There's gonna be nothing left.
Sorry, you need to turn anyway.
I'm Casper.
Pasty.
Pasty.
Pasty. You got something on your eye.
It's called eyelashes.
No, you got something on your eyelash.
Is it gone?
Nah.
What is it? Is it a bug?
It's some white
Is it a piece of tree?
piece of something.
Oh. I don't know, I don't really care.
No, but I care. If I was Mexican, my name would be El Stupido.
Why?
Finished the vlog to load yesterday and I finished rendering it and I forgot to put the Tanner day such and such and the date on there. Dickhead me.
So just do an annotation.
Too late.
Just go into my videos and
We're starting to re-render it.
dickhead, man.
Dickhead me.
Hey, do you want to walk down and get a kebab?
We were just there.
Yeah, but I'm hungry.
Hey, lady. Gonna get a kebab. Do you want some?
Yes.
Yes?
I do.
Okay. She wants one. When do you want to go? I guess that's alright now kind of thing. Jesus. Better put some shoes on. The cool sandals that feel good on my feet. Ooh, massagey. Ooh, massagey. Massagey. Ooh, in the camera. Oh. Did you see the menu board there? How it's all misspelled on the menu board? Like, under the seafood in particular, there was like crab sticklers and prawn cutlets. Nah, I think I left my wallet at home. I'd feel it if I got pickpocketed, the pockets are tight.
Oh, well, yeah, this guy was walking in suit pants, this Indian guy, and he went to get his morning coffee, and he'd been pickpocketed. The next day, this old guy, like 90 and like literally 85, 90 years old, was walking. He had like tracky pants on with a pocket on the ass, and he went to walk into the newsagents, pickpocketed. That afternoon, when we went back down, there was this other guy, pickpocketed. Mum's like, screw that.
No way, bro!
Cool story, bro.
Yeah.
So now I have to full hold my elbow close to my bag because if anyone pickpocketed me, I'd kick him in the...
In the jungle, there can be only one. That's what I like. Draw fast like.
Yeah, but they were keen. They wanted this. No, seriously, they did.
What?
Oh, very funny.
I don't know what I'm looking. What am I looking at?
You're looking at me. They wanted me.
What?
Yeah.
What? What?
Oh, I can smell the hummus and the garlic.
Chicken. Chicken.
Don't forget to tape the chicken when we walk up here.
Look. Pirate ship. Chicken. Pirate ship. Chicken. Best chicken roll in Melbourne or what?
Mm-hmm.
$5.
Oh my god, you think what you got? Wait, you dropped one over here.
So what was the deal here?
Yellow.
So the yellow one tastes bad, does it?
No, the yellow tastes one good.
So the yellow one tastes bad, does it?
But the yellow one tastes good.
Look.
It's pineapple.
Look.
But I like the strawberry.
Look. I think there should be something else to sweeten the deal, miss.
Hey, I bought them for you.
Yes.
Okay, so it's Tanna's sister and I'm making a meringue. It's almost done, but this bit's taking forever, which is really annoying because now I'm at the point where I just want to eat it. I do not want to wait. Yay, it's finished. Look at those peaks. Look at those peaks. Oh yeah. Can't wait to eat that. Now I just gotta wait for it to cool. Wait, ready for it? Did you hear that? Oh yeah, perfect. So that's pretty much done. I wish there was more lemon filling, but the meringue got so high. Look at that. So it's nice? Nah, seriously, do you like it?
Look at the peak. Ready? Oh, it's like an ice cream cone. Oh, You did well, Judy.
Alright, good.